Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nebo. Now this here is their Big Daddy 2K. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in. Now your warranty, etc. are inside the box, as you can see. So they want you to register it. I'm not going to take the box apart at this moment, but your warranty information is inside the box. Now once you register the warranty, you have it, and they'll honor their warranty and stand by their product. So everything here that you need to know about the light, there's no user manual, is on the box itself. So try to show you this here slowly. This puts out a maximum of 2,000 lumens. Now this puts out a complete flood beam that has a sharp cutoff line, so it's like a circle spotlight. Tells you about the modes here and their light outputs. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There's the registration. You'll need to use this in order to register the light online. Now this is actually a pretty good size light, you know. It is, and it is heavy. It's not real heavy, but it has 9 AA batteries in here. So that's going to give it some weight, but I'm going to use, now I'm currently waiting for some Energizer lithium cells to come to me. They're being delayed because of Amazon, so hopefully I'll get those, and 9 of those are going to be a lot lighter to carry and it's going to give you better performance, but I used the regular alkaline that came with it. A lot of heat sinking here on the head. As you can see how deep that is. So, all the way around that head. So that's really nice to see. It's got little indentations here on the body. Hold it with your fingers, helps grip it a little bit better. It is a smooth body, so you might have some issues with it slipping if you're wearing gloves or if it's wet outside. Now it appears to have some heat sinking here on the tail, which I don't think that's beneficial for anything. It does have a tail clicky. This does glow in the dark, so that's nice. It does come with a lanyard. Now this being a pretty big size light, definitely might want to use that, but it is on the small side. So style and design on this is nice. Now it appears to be a flat finish black here on the head of the light. This light does zoom, so you can turn the head and it zooms in, so it gives a little bit longer. And that feels smooth when turning it. Machining and finish on this is nice. I'm not seeing any issues here. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here. As you can see, this is a magnified lens. And the LED here is a quad LED. Now I'm not too sure what it is. Kind of reminds me of a XHP 70 LED, but I don't think that's what that is. So it's probably something else similar to it. Trying to get an angle here. Maybe I could zoom in on it here a little bit better. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. You can kind of see it, the 4 LEDs. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. And you've got well greased threads, straight contact point on the tail cap. Now this here is a battery carrier or battery cartridge, whatever you want to call it. And here's all the Nebo AA batteries, 9 of them. It doesn't matter which way you put it in. Alright, straight contact point down in the head of the light as well. These do have a little bit of a spring resistance there on the contacts. So now we're going to go ahead and put it all back together. Now let's go over the UI. Now the UI is pretty simple. All you're going to do is turn on the light, of course. As you can see, starts off on the highest output, 2000 lumens. There's the beam, as you can see him across the whole. And as you can see, it's one even beam across the whole length of it. Really nice and wide. Now these zoomy lights are very popular. A lot of people use them for walking, large areas at once. It does really well. Now if you want to go down to the next level, simply half press the tail switch. A little bit of PWM there. Half press again. And now we're going to half press again. We'll get you strobe. And half press that one more time. We'll get you beacon. Now there's a little delay in the flashing on this mode. Then half press that again, brings you back to the highest output that this light can do. And that's all there is to this light. Also has a glow in the dark reflector. Alright, well, I've seen enough of it here. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nebo Big Daddy 2K. So we're going to get started. Start it out on the flood, and then we'll zoom it in and see how the range is. You can see there, that's 38 feet from where I'm standing. Look at a huge, probably one of the more impressive lights this type that I've seen quite a while. I'm going to do a beam profile here behind the light. Look at how large that hot spot is. That spot is just huge. Super floody. I'm going to pan around here, kind of show you. Now it is making the tree of life, as you can see. I'll bring it. You see there? 138 feet that beam is making. Remember, this is only running on AA batteries. And do a before and after here. This thing is just huge, wide. Yeah, it's definitely impressive. Wow. All right, we're gonna go downward, and there's the next level. Now it does have some PWM in there. Not super bad, but can't see it with my eyes. We'll do the beam here. And we're going to go down to the next level here. A little more PWM. A little more prominent. Now I'm not seeing it with my eyes. And we're going to go down to the next level, which is strobe. Then you have beacon. So, all right, so now I'm going to zoom this in. I have to do it one-handed here. And we'll try to get this situated so we can see how well it throws. A lot of screwing. I got it there. All right. It's kind of got a square beam there, which is the shape of the LEDs. So there it is there. You can see no real strong spill anymore. So we're just going to pan around here and let's see how this does. Making it across the park there. A little bit of light out to the spill area. Again, that's overpowering, that's blinding me. And it's making those trees way out in the distance. 238 feet to that tree behind the Tree of Life. 138 feet. Looking beautiful as ever. Usually making the school. And faintly making the first palm tree. Yeah, maybe a little bit on the second one as well. Before and after here on this. Incredible. So we're just going to go ahead and zoom it back out here. Kind of end it on this light output is really impressive, especially if you're needing a large area to be lit up at once. That's going to easily do 138 feet, 140, 50 feet. This is going to do well. All coming out of this light. Again, do one more beam profile here. Running on 9 AA batteries. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice flood beam performance on this light. Even though it is big, you're going to get some really good run times with all these AA batteries. Now, in the case of you not wanting to purchase alkaline batteries often, if you're using it often, my advice is you use some nice quality rechargeable cells, or the Energizer lithium cells are one-time use. Those would be ideal for this. They will last about 3 times longer than normal alkaline batteries. So the build quality on this is nice, feels very rugged. It is waterproof, so that's another plus. This will provide a huge round spotlight that has just a huge amount of light in that beam. Got a lot of range, especially when you zoom this in. It was actually pretty impressive, and it's got some pretty good distance on that. Now, if you're going to be carrying this for long periods of time, recommend using those lithium cells. They're half the weight of an alkaline battery, so just remember that. Alright, well, I want to thank Nebo for sending me this to review. Now, I do have a special discount code. It's good until June 30th, 2020. So I'll leave that link to their main web page as well as that discount code. That'll save you 15%, plus it'll give you free shipping. And you're getting it directly from Nebo. Alright, well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Nebo products to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.